Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Monday, guys. So it's the start of the week. So I wish you a very profitable week. So we are on EURUUSD and I'm using like 2 hour time frame here. So what do we see? We see that now we've broken out of that bearish momentum. So we broke our resistance here. You can see that since the market was just going lower and lower. So now we've broken that. Guess what? The market is now changing the direction. So the market will start to push higher and higher. I hope you heard me yesterday. If maybe you missed my previous video, go back, check that. You will see that. So you will understand what was happening here. Days before that, weeks before that, the market was respecting this area. There's not even each candlestick that broke this resistance. So here we saw a bunch of candlesticks breaking that, and now the market is about to push higher. So this might be a nice buy position or opportunity, because once the market is trying to push up, we might see the market going higher and higher. I hope you see that. I think the market can even reach this area, but don't expect the market to reach this area like with one candlestick. The market can still consolidate, push up, consolidate, push up. This is how the market moves. The market just doesn't just move straight. I hope you understand that. So the overview for today, the market, since the market broke our resistance, we're looking for only buy opportunities. We wait for the market to create this higher lows, then we enter, higher lows, then we enter, higher lows, then we enter. Unless if the market comes back and respect this area, maybe comes back here and start to respect this area and push lower, it's where we're going to say, no, now the market is back on that bearish momentum. Now we're starting with the bullish momentum, and this might form a very nice uptrend. This is the early stage, guys, where the market is trying to change the direction. The market will mostly consolidate before pushing up. I hope you see that. I hope you understand that. You see, so the overview for this week, we expect the market to push higher slowly, maybe for weeks, because even this bearish was like happened for so many weeks. So it means even bullish momentum can last for a longer time, you see. So let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one, which is US oil. So on US oil, guys, this is quite easy, straightforward. Why? Because we are on an uptrend. You can see that we are on a very nice uptrend. So what happens here is we just wait for the market to give us a move. You can see this, it's a resistance. So if the market comes back around this resistance, let me zoom that. I think some of you won't see that. Auto, yeah. So what I'm expecting, you can see that the market is creating this nice resistance. So after this nice resistance, the market will come and try to respect that. So sometimes don't expect the market to reach our support area. So it means now we have this area, we expect the market to reach this area before pushing up. Yes, sometimes the market can still come back here, but most likely, like more than 80% of the time, the market will respect this area and push up, something like this, before going higher and higher. If maybe you don't understand this, or maybe you don't see that, check my previous videos yesterday, weeks before, days before, you will understand what I'm talking about, because this is a daily analysis. I won't just go deep on exactly how the market reacts. So today is just an overview for the whole day, then tomorrow we have another one. So for today, for US oil, I think let me just try to do it like this. I think the market is going to repeat exactly. You see what happened here. You see what happened here. what happened here? The market is creating something like this, something like that. I hope you understand that, guys. This is quite simple. I know sometimes you can miss this kind of moves, but when you get that move and when it happens while you're watching, don't please don't miss those trades because they're just straightforward and easy uh, to see or easy to track because they are quite easy. Mostly they just repeat themselves, you see. So let's go to the gold and see what's really happening today. So on gold, guys, we see that after we have broken out of that bearish momentum, now the market still deciding. It seems like the market doesn't know which way to take. You can see after we broken this, we had a very nice resistant area here. Resistant line or zone means that the market is going lower. The market is unable to break that area. It means the market, there is more sellers than buyers. So it means the market is actually pushing low. After that, we see that the market is breaking that. And this was like a very crazy candlestick. Then boom, what? The market is now consolidating. Consolidation means, we can just call it consolidation phase. It means the market is still deciding which way to take. So don't fall for this and try to trade when the market is creating something like this. Remember, we only trade uptrends and downtrends. Ranging market, we just avoid that because the market will just you will just sell here, then the market goes up and down. So it means you can be stuck here for some time. Then after the market will just continue selling. Maybe we'll break this support area and sell, or maybe break our resistance and sell off. So this happened, this bigger candlesticks here, these two, they happened during NFP. So you can see there's bigger crazy bullish, then after the other one correction, the market corrected that very quick, you see. So I hope you understand that. So on gold for now, we just going to wait until we see this area broken or maybe this area broken. At the moment, there's nothing that we can do. The market is still consolidating. I hope you understand that. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Let's grow the channel. Let's grow the channel. Let's grow the channel. Okay, so now we are on US 100, or you can call it NASDAQ or NAS 100. They call this instrument with different names. Some they call it US Tech. So on NASDAQ 100, we can see that. Please, guys, don't forget to check my previous video because I can't go and explain this support line like now and then. So if maybe you don't know how this happened, go check my previous videos. You will understand how we reached this area, you see. So on NASDAQ, we can see that we also had a nice bearish momentum, and the market was really respecting this area, but the market was not breaking this area to show us that actually this area was very strong. You see, the market showed us that this area is very strong. Then after that, we saw a very crazy move where the market broke that. The market never respected this area. After that, we see that the market is now pushing up. This is it's called a breakout. Then after we had a breakout, look what it's happening. We have a very nice retest. This is just a straightforward retest, unless if the market will keep pushing lower. But with the analysis and with the drawings that we did now, you can see that actually we have a very nice retest. So what do we expect? We no longer expect the market to be like under this bearish momentum after we broken this, unless if the market comes back here. But at the moment, we expect the market to do what? To push up slowly. So don't get scared when you see something like this. The market will just consolidate. Why? Because the market is about to take that nice direction. Now we are on an uptrend actually. It's the start of a new direction. and it's the start of a trend. So when the trend is starting, it's going to start like this, a retest, boom, something like this. Then the market will just continue like that. I hope you understand that, and I hope maybe you see the light if maybe you are still new. Uh, but what I see here is quite simple, guys. Unless if it's going to disappoint us and not respect our strategy, but I think the market will slowly push up. I think the market will slowly push up, and that will be a plus on our side. Why? Because we have a position, we have some positions around those levels. So let's go straight to US30. Please, guys, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So you can see this lines here. Here it's our pending order, our buy pending order. If the market is going to push up, it will find our pending order. Here it was our stop loss. Here it was our target where we're going to take the profit. So let me remove that so that you see that you can see our chart very clearly. So on USD, guys, it's quite similar to what we saw on other instruments. Why? Because we can see that the market has broken this resistance. You can see the market broken this resistance. Now it's retesting. This we can just call it fake breakout, because after the market broke out of this, the market is now pushing up. So it means unless if maybe the market is going to create something like this, because I also see that, you see this, if the market is going to respect this, maybe going lower, then we can say now the market is now back on bearish momentum. But at the moment, if you draw your line perfectly, I think this, it was a fake breakout. Maybe now the market it's ready to push higher. I think the market is going to push higher uh, in few hours, or maybe when the market opens, or even maybe tomorrow. I don't think maybe we will see another bearish momentum anytime soon, especially this week. Maybe the coming days or coming weeks, maybe we will see that. But at the moment, I don't see that happening. So it means for now, let me check. It seems like my network is gone. So let me pause this. So actually for this week, I think maybe the market might play around this level, especially on US30. But the overview, I think, is still an uptrend. Still, you can see the market is still trying to recover. Even if the market is creating something like this, you can see that the market is actually trying to play with us, because we can see that actually the market is about to push up, but it's just creating this kind of moves like this. Then if you panic, you will just say maybe the market is going to the lower side, then after we see boom, then the market will do that, something like that. These things, you should learn to see a bigger picture. You should learn to see things like for next week, next coming week, something like that. Then that way it's how you're going to see how this thing works. So I think my network, guys, is just running out. The connection is very slow. We have a load shading here. So I will just make this thing very, very fast now. So let's check. I think maybe it's the last one. I don't think it's the last one. Okay. It's German 30. On German 30, guys, we see these things, they just like they move really, really the same. And mostly the market will just present itself to you. Do you see what I see here? Look, we had this bearish momentum, and we have a very nice resistant line here, which is perfect. So look what happens here. The market was respecting that. Boom, the market break that. After we break, we see the market coming back and respect that retest here. Then after another retest, then the market is going to push up. So which means actually you don't have to rush to the market. You just have to wait. The market will give you this kind of moves before pushing up. Already you see we were on the lowest level a few days ago, a few weeks or few days ago. You can see we were here. Now we are here. Look, we never had like a very big pushback. So this can be a breather. The market pushes up, breathe, pushes up, breathe, pushes up, breathe. So you can't just expect the market to move straight up. So actually the market is just retesting. Even if maybe it reaches this area, the market is still retesting. Then after we will see the market pushing up. So what you can do is you should learn to relax. The market will just present itself to you. I like what I see because the market, we've been drawing this line for some time. It's been here for some time. Look what happened. The market just came here, respected this area, and even here the market respected that area. It means we're supposed to be in the trade. I'm already in the trade, so I can open some extra trades. So if you have some trades here, you are in a very nice position. The market might push up in our favor. It's possible that the market might go against us, but the probability of this, because we repeated these things several times, most likely the market will be in our favor. You see, yeah. So for overview for today, I think the market will be in a very nice positive way this week, especially this week. I think the market will be on a bullish side, so I expect the market to push up for German 30. So let's go to the last one, which is France 40. France 40 also doing the same thing, guys. Everything is just retesting. Euro USD just broke the resistance. Everything's just breaking the resistance. It shows that now dollar is getting weak, a little bit weak. So you can see that we also on France 40 we also had the similar thing here. We see a breakout retest. Then don't expect the market to just jump, and maybe if you have position here, maybe you are short tempered and you see that your position are not in profit. It's fine, guys. Sometimes you just have to place your phone or your smartphone somewhere and just forget it for a few hours. Or if maybe you don't put it somewhere, you can have it, but don't open your MetaTrader, because sometimes you can even close small profits. When the market reaches this area, you can close to find out that the market was going to reach these levels within few hours or few days. So you must prepare yourself for these things. Prepare yourself before you even start. Tell yourself that, you know what, I'm going to open this position here. My stop loss maybe might be here. Then unless if the market touches my stop loss, I'm not going to close, and until maybe the market reaches this area, I'm still not going to close. That way you eliminate so many things. Then you will have a freedom actually when you trade, because you're ready to, you plan your stop loss, and you also plan maybe your take profit. Even if maybe you don't take your you don't place your take profit, you can just lock your profit if the market is going in your favor. Then that way it's how you scale up your profits. I hope you understand that, guys. So thank you guys for watching. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Please smash the subscribe button, guys. Let's grow the channel. Let's meet. Tell your friends about the channel out there, that there's something like this Xtrahot Forex channel out there which can assist you with analyzing the charts every day, except on Saturday. But on Sunday we do weekly analysis. So I hope you understand that. So thank you, guys. France 40, we hoping the same thing, an uptrend going up. For this week, I expect something like that, since we no longer respecting our bearish resistance or move. You see. Thanks, guys. This is Kenzo.